And we're trying to listen to the silence for 1 minute. Starting 1, 2, 3. That was 1 minute.
Really? What were you thinking during this minute?
What I was thinking that, it's the interesting thing, I think, with silence in general is that it's quite often uncomfortable. It's different. And it doesn't exist in the sense that when we're sitting here being quiet, there's always some noises around us. But I think, in terms of be a creative human being, you need silence. And when I wrote my book on silence, and for instance, I talked with Elon Musk, the guy who's behind SpaceX and Tesla. Of course, he talks all the time, he's texting all the time, he's very active. But if you're going to come up with bright ideas in your life, but also in business, you absolutely need silence. And the reason is because whenever you are connected, when you're living through other people, and that's all about noise. And I think about noise, I'm thinking about, of course, sounds, but also all kinds of distractions you get from your phone, all the kind of expectations you will have on social media, and about pollution, man-made light, all this is noise. And of course, most of you people sitting here today, you will spend maybe 4 hours every day doing social media. You will live for around 84 years, which again means that you will spend 13 years of your lives, day and night, on social media. And then you will see some TV series in addition to it. And no wonder many of you will think about yourself as restless, lonely, sad, and sometimes depressed. Because all this is about forgetting yourself, running away from yourself, while silence is very much about connecting to yourself, it's about getting to know yourself, and it's about unlock new keys to understand the world. And then again, back to Elon. His thing is, he has these silent moments. When you talk to him, suddenly he kind of disappears, and then he's doing his own thinking. And he comes up with these fantastic ideas about how to revolutionize the car industry, how to revolutionize the energy industry, and how to revolutionize traveling into space. And all this comes up in peace, in silence.